Hello, today I want to show you how to make tablature on Encore. Um, basically, I'll just kind of highlight everything. Come under score, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a staff. And instead of add a note staff below, we're going to click on that, and you can do rhythm, tablature, percussion. We're going to do tab, and I hit OK. Now you can look here to make sure it's the standard tuning of a six string guitar, but you can pick different things if you're doing a banjo or I don't know, bass or whatever, but the presets are fine here. So you got a guitar here, and I'm going to use the guitar. All right, hit that. You don't really have to do that. So there's a tablature there. So once you do that, you can come under here, highlight all your notes, and then come under notes here, and then say make tablature, and then just hit OK. So there it is there. So I'm going to go through there and play it, and if I'm going to see if there's something that I don't like. Remember, this one's pretty easy. But let's say I'm just trying to find something to move around. That's good. That's all good there. Maybe on that all looks all right. Let's look at the next page. Yeah, and also I need to change the number of staffs I have because I basically double the staffs on here. So instead of being 2 pages, this should be a 4-page. But I'm just kind of looking real quick. That's all looking good. Looks good. Okay, so let's say that's all looking good. So let's say that this is too notey here. I can do that, and then do what I did was I highlighted, hit Command minus to take it down a fret, and so now I'm doing it like that if I wanted to. So I can go through here and just do that for all of these here, and then so I don't want to have to open. Let's say that I want to do something a little bit different on here. I can say, let's go up to 3 there. This probably makes more sense. Do it like this. And it's a little time consuming, I wish it'd have a better finger, but and at that point here, I think all of this would be better going up. So anyways, that's a quick little tutorial on how to do tablature and what like that. I guess I'll just fix this as well, because that way you can kind of see how to get all the staves correctly and whatnot on there. So I need to basically reduce the number of systems per page, go under score, and so instead of having 9 to a page, let's go to 4 on a page and all remaining pages. Okay, there we go. So now we got 1. Okay, and I might could add 1 more there. Yeah, that's a little close. So that's probably good enough. So that's good enough. Anyways, so that's a quick little tutorial for you to be able to convert your guitar studies into tablature. Like here, I can see this is another one here that I can probably just take down. And then I can kind of do the same thing with this. Anyways, so kind of just have some fun with it, kind of come up with different functions for it. anyways, and so I got a lot of friends that play guitar, but they're not readers, and so I can give this out to them and they can play some guitar music. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I still love Encore, and I think they're going to redesign it so the newer systems can use it. So look for that as well, and I'm sure the functionality will probably be just as easy or maybe even easier. So thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps you out.